Does she have protein? Yeah.
Dang, buddy.
What?
I didn't know you hit the gym.
That one takes diesel as well, so I would.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
You got it?
You got it?
No.
No.
You're recording.
You gotta go to the gym, buddy.
I'll take you because I need to go too anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Let's get this baby running.
Directions? We ain't need that shit.
Fuck that.
No, we don't need that.
Dog.
Dude,
We're
this
gonna end up
is
catching this.
the
fucking thing.
shadiest idea I have ever seen. There's no way. There's no way.
Hey, by the way, did you drop the remote?
Yeah, yeah.
Bro.
Oh, that's nice.
Bro, we got jack stands holding the box holding the trash can, the trash can holding the heater. No
This is probably the shadiest thing we've ever done.
This thing is about to be so much brighter. He's going from regular rock lights to 109 LED rock lights. Oh, 104? 104 LEDs in this one rock light. He has 8 of them going on. One more in each wheel well, and then he's going to light up the same carriage. Guys, this is about to be so freaking bright. Oh my gosh.
This one overkill in the wheel well.
Dude, that is so bright. Boys, we are so close to being done. All we need is switch and control. I believe that's all we need. That's all we need to be done, and that shit is so bright. So I think we're going to kill the lights here in a second and turn these rock lights on, and it's going to be so freaking bright. What do you think? It's gonna be bright.
It's a spaceship, huh?
Oh, dude, it's gonna be the brightest truck I've ever seen. I'm sorry. I love
Open up that garage door.
I love you.
You know the car, dude?
Yes. Not yet.
Completely finished, and it is all finished up and done. All the wiring is all done. We have the controls, the wiring, the switch and everything. They have turned them on, so I have seen them. I know, I apologize, guys, but once we pull this out, get ready for a complete other spaceship. It is going to be insane. And just look at all the smoke coming from the exhaust and the heater, guys. This is nothing. Look at all exit. That's crazy, guys. This thing is going to be so bright. Again, guys, we put these 104 LED rock lights. We got 1 at each wheel well, and then 2 on each side of this, on the undercarriage. And then on top of that, we have just a couple of different, like 24 LED, 3 LEDs. They're going to be out there, so this is going to be insane when we turn all of these on. I cannot wait to see how bright this thing is. Morgan, how bright do you think it's going to be?
Why?
Andrew, you already saw it.
What?
You already saw the lights. How bright are they?
They're bright.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. That's just 8 rock lights with 104 LEDs, guys. Look at the change. Dude, Jackson, good job. This is insane. Good job, buddy. Proud of you. That's it. Dude, that is so freaking bright. That is so bright. Dude, just for 8 rock lights with 104 LEDs in it. That's insane.
It even has a shadow, and if you have the lights, you wouldn't have a shadow.
Yeah. For 16 rock lights, guys. 16 rock lights. That is the brightest. That's the brightest lighting setup I've ever seen, just for 16 rock lights.
Dude, this is fucking brightest.
Brightest
Equinox lights.
Hey, bro, those are the Apple specials.
Brightest Equinox in America.
Each one costs $1,400.
Outside, the tires are pretty cold, so this one's just for warming up the tires. So 3, 2, 1, go! The pure excellence of the sound of the Corset Streams. definitely burnt the clutch on that one. Oh, I smell the clutch. It's burning. Oh, Darla's clutch is not happy with me, but it's all about the pure excellence of the power and sound of the 5.0 Coyote with the Corsair streams. Dog vlog is back. The dog vlog is back, baby. Softest dog, softest whole puppy in the whole world. Softest puppy in the whole world. Well, sit, 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 sit. Shake. Ah, good boy, good boy. All right, boys, we are officially heading out to one of the last meets of the year, or last meets of the year. Guys, it's gonna be crazy, but it is so cold outside, so I got another jacket just in case. And I'm already probably getting ready to put it on. But Darla is handling E85 like an absolute champion in the cold weather. I know some cars, the tunes, they don't really do that well with the 85 in the cold weather, but right now Darla is she's performing perfectly fine, no complaints at all. Besides the hood, that's the only complaint I have. Jackson's washing his truck. Then we got Andrew washing his truck. And guys, we cannot wait to get to this meet. Let's go see what's up.
It's clean, dude.
Oh yeah, that's spotless. Look at the window. How do you even turn in that? His window has more tint than I do, just of dirt.
Oh, you see that shopping cart?
Damn. Bro, what?
I need a few.
We can take it home, bud.
Yeah, they're not going to see it.
No, they won't even notice. Whose is it?
But the guy before we had done everything to it.
Ooh, look at that.
All real carbon.
That is beautiful, bro. I love the starlight all the way in the back. That's pretty sweet. The amount of carbon detail on this car is impeccable. It is insane. What?
Yeah. Like the headlights were wrapped.
Yeah.
Dude, for a stock exhaust, that sounds.
I know, bro.
It sounds so
Tell me
good.
if I'm wrong, but I literally asked him, I was like, is that an aftermarket exhaust?
That's closed right now.
Can you do?
I can't do it that way.
Can you full cab?
I got you.
Do a backflip? Oh, you won't?
Oh, let me try.
I already knew he was gonna be on some crazy.
Oh, Hunter's pretty good.
That wasn't that clean up.
Come on, Hunter, do a backflip. What? Do a backflip.
Oh yeah. There you go. What's your name?
That's great. It'd be that, but reverse. Yeah. Straight down.
Straight down. Is it shit all the way?
I don't think you closed it all the way, bud.
Hey, I hear sirens. Just letting you know, I hear sirens.
Fuck it. Stupid. Bye, Hunter. Bye.
Oh!
Ready?
Yep. Bro, it just puts you back, bro. That was insane. I've never seen a purple vet, and I've never seen a purple vet with this much carbon on it.
That's fucking insane. Yeah. Steering wheel lights up. Right
To your
here.
shifts too?
Yep.
Man.
Yeah, track mode.
Wow. This thing is sick. All the carbon, starlights. I've never seen someone do this. That's sweet. Oh, the starlights in the back, that's
The
bad.
pillars and all that shit.
Wow.
I might change it to suede.
Dude, that is nuts. You can feel like how different this is from like any other car. Z01 LE, and that was the craziest car I've ever been in, but it doesn't even compare to what this is, dude. That is wild. Bro, it just holds you back.
Oh yeah.
That's...
Any speed bumps?
And you got the front end lift, dude. That's badass. Such a bad financial decision for me.
It's worth it. Definitely.
I guarantee it. That's amazing, bro. And the doors go up, man. That is sick.
Thing's nice, man.
Bro.
Is it a wrap? I like solid.
This is my favorite thing.
Gotta fix that fucking tire.
Damn.
He's like,
I cannot
I
get
You're like,
this
I
up.
don't want to close it too hard.
I can't. Bro, I don't. Bro, that, dude, I appreciate it, bro. That. Oh, dude, that was insane. Bro, for a stock car, dude, that thing would eat my fucking car alive. Dude, it would leave me at a standstill, completely.
The only thing I've raced so far that's like been close is Tesla Model Y Performance.
Those things get too, don't
I
they?
barely beat it, but I beat it. That was fast. That's what I wanted to 184 on.
These dual clutch transmissions.
184 in this?
These dual clutch transmissions.
I was about to say, what did it feel like? I mean, I know what 130 feels like in a truck, and you just feel like you're floating. Same thing?
Yeah, I mean, it rides smooth.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Ass
dude,
just like that.
He's like, I got scared.
bro, it was.
Cause fuck it, it was in Portsmouth and it wasn't a straightaway, so taking the turn was sketchy.
I guarantee it, man. This thing is badass. Yeah, that was a bad financial decision.